Seema Mami from Mumbai, Seema Mami from Mumbai.
So we have no clue why she keeps doing that.
On June 19th, your window will open and you will get married.
Yeah, my window is open all
Yeah,
the time.
we keep it all open even though I'm married.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mars Vlogs, and today we are going to be reviewing a docu-series in Netflix called as
Indian matchmaking.
Yes. So we binge watched this particular series in like 1.5 days. Can you beat that? Because it was so interesting. There is a reason why we are also dressed like this.
Not me, she.
Yeah. So there's a reason why we dress like this, because I wanted to glam up to review this particular series because it's all about glitz and glam. The series is mainly about how Indian matchmaking happens, and they are actually trying to present that to the international audience. So now you watch it and let us know whether this is exactly the way it happens in India.
In India, marriage is a very big industry, a very big fat industry.
So, we would like to get started by introducing some of the main lead characters in this particular series. So, let's start with the first character. Who is it, Prashant?
It is a matchmaker, Seema Ji from Mumbai.
Yeah. So, it's Mrs. Seema Taparia from Mumbai, who is a matchmaker. We also have some very interesting supporting characters whom we'll be introducing.
I'm Seema Mami. Hi darling, badaiyo. I'm Seema Taparia. I'm Mumbai's top matchmaker. My profession is based on goodwill. Hi Kakiji, hi Pooja. Hi. I like to meet people in the airport or in the market or in the mall or anywhere. I'm Seema Mami. I'm a matchmaker for many families. Bangkok, Hong Kong, America. It's just a word of
So
mouth.
now, as you watch the scene, she's also called as Seema
We have a
Mami.
son or a daughter
I don't
and
know
we
why,
want a
but
good
she's called
match.
as Seema Mami.
She's introducing herself as Seema Mami from Mumbai, Seema Mami from Mumbai.
So we have no clue why she keeps doing that. So there are few things that we found very fascinating in this series, mainly because we just couldn't connect to the fact that people in India. Yeah, I understand the way people are in India, but then I don't think it happens like this. Especially in the case of Aparna. And then she even went up to say that Aparna is not stable.
Because they rejected her proposal.
Yeah, because she rejected a proposal, she told that Aparna is not stable, which is like really weird. It is the generation of computers, tablets, Android phones, and still she was using this huge logbook as a database, which was like really weird. Either she is technologically backward, or else
She doesn't believe in it.
maybe. But I think Netflix, you should please suggest.
Not
Yeah, she
that much
keeps
money.
traveling to US and other places so that the matchmaking happens. And she goes to the client's house, inspects their house, their bedroom, their bathroom, their wardrobe, their shoe rack, everything, so that she gets to understand the lifestyle. How interesting. Would you allow your matchmaker
No, I
to...
won't even hire a matchmaker.
Yeah, he's never going to hire a matchmaker.
I looked at myself.
A
I did that,
matrimony
yeah.
site itself was a big deal for him. And Prashant is going to say some of the things that he didn't like about her, or he finds really cringe.
Not cringy. Like, one, her thoughts are very old school. She's very superstitious, like our age-old marriage brokers and all, which were there relevant in the country.
Wherein she believes that, it is mainly the family that should match and not the groom and the bride.
She also forces the groom or the bride to make adjustments, to do compromise. And the worst part, the most irritating part, what I found is, she keeps on going into people's bedrooms to see how the bedroom looks. So I don't know what she is expecting.
She's
to find
basically
there.
trying to judge their lifestyle by peeping into their bedrooms and wardrobes. I have no clue why. Okay. So that is Seema Taparia for you. Now we are going to introduce you to some side characters. So let's have a look at who are the three pillars or the three men who are actually supporting Seema Taparia in making these great decisions.
नमस्ते पंडित जी, कैसे हो? घर पे कैसे हैं
सर्व
सबको?
कुशल कुशल हैप्पी आनंद संतोष.
Few of my clients, it's very hard to match them. So stubborn and so picky. So to help me, I'm showing their pictures to a face reader in India. In India, it's a system. We'll see the destiny the astrologers predicted. तो बस उनके बारे में जरा फोटो दिखाना.
ठीक अवश्य.
I hope it gives.
I am Dilip. Nice
Hi,
meeting
nice
you.
to meet you. Come on in, have a seat.
One thing I always start with saying that astrological chart is nothing magical about it. It is about all it is before it is astrology is astronomy. So it is the snapshots of heavens when you were born.
Sometimes my eyes are glazing.
तो एज पर न्यूमरोलॉजी 17 मीन्स 1 + 7 = 8. तो 8 इसका प्राइमरी नंबर हो गया.
Matching horoscopes is like insurance for a successful marriage, because I've seen that the two stars, if they are friendly in the horoscope, that means they are compatible. And
Okay, so now you saw who are the three supporting characters. Who's helping out Seema to make these wonderful decisions.
Seema ji from Mumbai.
Yeah, actually, Seema ji from Mumbai. So now we're going to go ahead with the main characters or the main prospective clients that Seema ji is actually handling.
First one is Aparna.
So Aparna is a very independent lady who is actually looking out for a prospective groom who is in her early 30s or mid 30s and is I don't know whether she's actually serious about looking out, but yeah, she has a lot of criteria. I'll show you a little more details about Aparna.
if you marry their partner,
People care about sense of humor.
they want they are lively, jolly.
No.
So they want the other partner to accept their jokes and
I don't
have.
have to be the funniest guy in the room. I don't need that. My type's evolve.
Now the second one is the most eligible bachelor in Mumbai.
The parents think
Pradyuman.
that he's 30 and
Okay,
it's a high
let's see
time
a
that he
little
should
more
be
about
engaged.
Pradyuman.
And I'm here to help them.
और सबको भी बहुत ईगरनेस है. इवन हमको नहीं, हमारी पूरी फैमिली.
मैं भूल गई. Got a few chocolates for you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
बेबी और इसका अलग है. ये तो just ऐसे ही बस a small gift of love.
Thank you.
And how have you been, auntie?
बस बेटा I'm so busy चल रही हूँ, मैं क्या बताऊँ.
All marriage season is keeping
मैरिज
you
तो
worked
देख
up.
जरूरी नहीं है ना, ये तो 12 महीने का काम है. बोल भाई क्या प्रद्युम.
You know, any potential meeting is there where I feel that okay, at least there is a 30 to 40% chance also. I'm open to that. It's fairly an open book. If you have other options also, I'm yet open to see it.
दिल्ली की है, फ्रेंड की डॉटर. My दोती.
She's so cute.
Looking like a model.
She's a model. She's good looking.
I was pretty shocked. I was like, why didn't Seema auntie showed something like this to me before? Now you're going in the right way.
In the scene that you just saw now, you will see that how Pradyuman was excited to see a portfolio of a girl who was cute. That was his only criteria, cute, yeah, or beautiful. Other than that, I don't think he was bothered about anything, because the minute Seema showed him the resume or the bio data, he just pounced on it and then settled with that person. Basically, they're not showing the ending of any of these, matches,
One
except for one. Most of them, they're just abruptly ending it, so we don't know whether it's really happening or not.
Maybe it happened in season 2.
Yeah, maybe. If there is a season 2 and if we can sit through it, yeah, we
Oh,
will
I'd
also
love
see
to
it.
see season 2.
Talking about our favorite boy, Mr. Akshay. He loves him. So throughout the episode, he kept looking at me asking, okay, what is happening? Okay, so that's how Prashant was reacting to each and every scene of Akshay. See, I don't blame guys being mama's boy, because it's okay. I mean, we are also daddy's girls, so it's not a problem. But this was a limit. From the scenes, you can understand how dependent he is, and he made a huge he was talking in such a way that he was staying away from his home, and he had to make his own bed, iron his own clothes. Seriously, is that a big deal? I don't think so.
But I liked his mom better than him.
Yeah, his mom was a highlight.
She was calculative. She was so good. You see that video, you can see that how she has planned everything for her 2 kids.
Yeah, actually, getting to that scene, I'll show it to you right now.
बस 2 मिनट ये परोस के मैं भी बैठ रही. In our society, we usually have joint families. I have my joint family with both my boys living together. Now the member who's going to come as Akshay's wife, the girl has to adjust many things rather than the boy. That is what the values we've been brought up with. It's my house, means these are the rules of my family. We have followed, you have to follow. Seema ji, she's getting some proposals for Akshay.
Matchmaker.
Yes. And she's already sent me some. But अगर तुम at least तुमको specify करना चाहिए ना, then what are your choices and criteria? सिर्फ ना बोलना is not done ना. And seriously, Akshay, now I'm pissed off. Nearly 18 to 20 proposals I got. उसमें से वो 10-12 ऐसे उड़ा चुका है. It's not good.
ऐसे ही नहीं, देखा मैं.
Okay, you have your own reasons. हाँ.
A lot of proposals have been coming in. In out of those people who had met, there was zero compatibility, zero like either attraction or talking. There was nothing. The whole process has been very confusing.
उस पे थोड़ा focus कर.
हाँ ठीक है.
And you'll cooperate.
We'll meet. We'll see.
No. See, you get married this year, and they have a baby next year.
हाँ.
तो they are getting late because of you.
अरे मैंने क्या किया?
तुमने शादी फाइनल नहीं किया.
मैं रोका नहीं किसी को.
नहीं, what do you mean by रोका नहीं? तुमने हमको रोका ना लड़कियां पसंद करने से.
हाँ.
तो उनको तुम्हारा वेडिंग एंजॉय करने के बाद फिर उनको ये करना है, आगे बढ़ना है.
वो अलग बात है.
नहीं तो अलग नहीं बात है. It is interlinked. हाँ. पापा.
Now it's high time.
He hasn't told me what he wants. तो बेटा किस टाइप का क्या चाहिए तेरे को? What's your preferences?
जैसे बताइए वैसे होगा ना. मॉम और डैड डिसाइड.
तेरा भी तो कुछ बोल. सब मॉम पे छोड़ेगा तो कैसे होगा?
वो तुम्हें मिलने के बाद बताऊंगा ना. हाँ. Well, I'm kind of a shy person, introvert. I'm really close to my mom. I can say extremely close. My mom's very particular about something that I would want my life partner to have the same qualities.
She should be flexible. Yeah, we're going for girls above 5'3".
My family business with dad, तो अपना ऑटोमोबाइल का फाइनेंस एंड देन कंस्ट्रक्शन आल्सो.
कितना टाइम हो गया सर आपको बिजनेस?
अभी 2 साल हो गया जब मैं आ गया.
More than 2 years now.
हाँ, more than 2 years, 2 months.
Yes. You have any questions for us? You can ask.
तुम्हारी मम्मी ये जो बनने वाली है ये बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है.
ये देखो.
और मैं वो एकदम फ्री हूँ.
ऐसे अक्षय को इतना नहीं लगता है ऐसे.
क्या?
मैं तो अक्षय को बहुत चीजें अलाउ कर देती हूँ.
वो तो तेरा एकदम मम्मास बॉय है ना. वो एकदम फेवरेट चाइल्ड है.
ऐसा कुछ
उसको 7 गुने माफ है.
ऐसे कुछ बल्कि अब वही मेरा ख्याल रख लेता है. ये तो बेबी है अभी.
Where do you see, like 5 years, 10 years down the line yourself?
I want to work, so I just want to be like a working woman, like be independent, do something of my own,
Okay.
like, be busy. I don't want to remain idle, like sitting at home doing nothing.
Yeah. I would want my future partner to do the same things in the house that my mom does, because I'm not like that. And if she's busy with her work, who's gonna take care of the kids and all?
So you want to ask something more?
You can see how she's actually calculated her son's life. Okay, this year you get married, next year your elder brother has a kid. It's as simple as that.
No, elder brother is already married, like in 23.
Yeah.
Now this guy is 25. So once he marries, the elder one should have a kid.
The reason being, for your wedding, your elder brother has to enjoy. So he'll only have a kid after your marriage. So you better get married fast. And her BP is increasing because he's not getting married. I also wanted a very well-educated person. Okay.
To sit
and
at home.
yeah. So very educated person, and he settled down with this girl who is from Udaipur, who is a CA, and she also has an MBA. And the minute she told that she wants to actually work and be busy, his face expression changed. Work. She has to be at home and take care of his kids. Who else will?
I'm sure he doesn't have a call in that. It's all his mom.
Why don't you hire a maid or a nanny to take care of your kids?
He specifically says that his mom should like the girl, his mom should like the family. And even the mom says that I am the final decision. I have the final decision.
Yeah. So that's
Got it.
how the show is. And you can see in the scenes itself. Seriously, if you really want some kind of kick out of these kind of entertainment, you should definitely watch it. And I'm sure you'll binge watch it within 2 days because it's that good.
In the sarcastic way.
Yeah. So that's all for now, guys. We will review and react to such interesting videos in the future also. And hopefully the season 2 of this particular series does not release. Because we wouldn't want to review it. Would you?
I don't mind.
Yeah, he does not mind.
I don't mind Seema Ji from Mumbai, Seema Mosi, Seema.
Actually, Prashant was more interested. See, I love reality shows and series. Okay, I get hooked to them. But this particular one, Prashant reminded me that there's a new series in Netflix that's released. He made me sit in the couch and watch it, and he sat with me all through. That was like the limit. Yeah, I'm sure he would have found out some insider information about the show, and that's why he wanted to watch it.
No, the basic thing is the show is very regressive. If you're showing it in Netflix, wherein apart from non-Indians also watch, they already have a very bad image of India, of these horoscope, the superstitions. Like in one scene, the astrologer says that on June 19th, your window will open and you will get married.
Yeah, my window is open all the time.
We keep it all open, even though I'm married. Just for fun.
Yeah, so that's about the show.
Do watch it and let us know how you liked it.
Comment if you watched the show. Do comment if you've not watched the show. Do comment about whether you like the show after watching it, and whether you would want such series to be released in Netflix or Hotstar or Amazon Prime. And like our video, share and subscribe to see such interesting videos in the future.
Ciao.